I think the first time I did Hippolyta was in 1999. Let's see, the differences between doing it then and now is I feel that I've probably taken a few liberties and changed a few things, and Francie has made sure we've changed them back this time around. Just little things like where you're supposed to be holding your bow and maybe a few musical things that you take liberties with. Hippolyta is one of the roles that Balanchine created for his taller women, kind of like the Ruby solo woman. Of course, I always am the most average person doing the tall roles. I'm not really known for being short or tall, but this is definitely one of those roles. Hippolyta is a lot of jumping, some turning, but I prefer the jumping. It's been kind of a long process since I've been injured to get back into jumping. So it's nice to get back into jumping because that's what I enjoy, that's what I'm better at. And I don't say that I am a great turner, but it's fun to me to always add in an extra surprise or something like that to challenge myself. Things I would say to a newcomer to Hippolyta, I would say that mostly you have to listen to the music, but it's also just about having fun with it. I mean, it's a great role. You're out there by yourself with this bow and this huge crown, and it's just an amazing feeling to go flying through the air and just have the audience really appreciate what you're doing.